Volumetric flow measurement by Orifice Plate. One can refer to the animation where one will see the flow is passing through the pipe through variable restrictions of a orifice plate, and then further the measurement of things are being done with the help of orifice plate, flange tapping and a transmitter. Important concept: orifice plate bore sizing. ISO 5167-1 is a general principles and a requirement. ISO 5167-2 is for orifice plate. Beta ratio, a definition: beta ratio is equal to small d by capital D, where capital D is equals to pipe ID, where small d is a bore ID. Ideally, beta ratio should lies between 0.1 to zero point 0.8. For liquid service, beta ratio should be less than 0.75. For gas and steam service, beta ratio should be less than 0.7. Most usable beta range is between zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.7, where in this range uncertainty is less. Important concept related to the beta ratio case study. Case 1, beta ratio is equals to small d by capital D is equals to point D. That means small d is equals to zero point 0.2 times capital D. When d is very small, that time velocity is increases, delta pressure increases, that means the range of the transmitter is also increases, and straight length requirement is lower. There is a case 2, beta ratio is equals to zero point 0.7, where d is equals to zero point 0.7 times d. When d is large, velocity is decreases, delta pressure is decreases, that means the range of the transmitter is also decreases, and straight length requirement is higher side. Important concept related to the installation, where flange rating is a minimum 300 pound rating is required to hold half-inch tapping on a flange. Orifice plate thickness should not exceed d by 30 or d by 50 or small d by 8 or d minus small d by 8. Drain and vent hole. Drain hole, that is a whip in a gas process, because of while going the gas flow with a condensate liquid, gas will go to orifice hole and condensate liquid will go to the drain hole, that is a whip. Uncertainty, as per ISA AGA 3 1990, uncertainty bore size within 0.05% of the desired value, and pipe diameter is within 0.0% of value. This is how the basic fundamentals are covered related to the volumetric flow measurement by means of orifice plate.